Deemo.
Okay, so we actually finishing up some food and getting ready to go down the road. So, the was. Alright, so guys, we're out in the farm right about now. Ira, that's the name of the vlog. Just the fried.
We're planting some peas, you understand, and you know, what I asked them, man. We irie.
There's a land full of fruit trees, and grassy meadows cover the landscape as far as the eye can see. Vinland, remember.
We're on the farm today. And some pumpkin over there already. Don't know. You seeing the potato?
I see the potato.
Potato coming up good. Pumpkin there over so. So we're planting the peas now. And we're planting some okra on the side there. And then we'll call it Judge.
You know, that's the adventure for today. Today is actually Copper's Crispy, ain't it? Copper's Crispy? Christy. Copper's Crispy, where it's a good little plant. And that's what we're doing in the land right about now. And we're planting up a few things, mash up the place. You know, real vibes today. You know? So just sit back and enjoy the vlog. Yo, we're in the garden now. What's that? Cut that side. So that you could chop them down. Well, not chop them down, but like take the sauce up from them.
Yeah?
So you just take the sauce up.
Which is on the front line.
Pick up on yourself. See that? You're out in the land. It's a day. See the bush? See that? Tree. No coconut tree up there. Fruits. Natural. You know, natural thing with your upon. But that tree full up of fruit. Berry. Good job. What's that real mango on the ground here? Yo, so pick up chimango on the ground. Alright. Big up them boys and them.
Just finished. Just finished. Gonna have to make the juice now.
So I just eat this fruit. It's called 5 finger. From that tree over there. Grenadian fruits are 10 out of 10. 5 finger 10 out of 10. Oi! Bobby, a catch da Ana, Bobby. Bobby, a catch in foqueira.
I got a man there, them already. But boy, just come.
Oh, here?
Yeah, we say we're playing match today.
What's going on in Deemo? These original edition.
I was sad today, and then I realized it was fucking Friday fucking night. You know what that fucking means?